Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo quality in the Doogee T10. So let's start to open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the picture quality. Just tap on it, and if you want to take the best photos, keep it on the superfine. If you want to take the photos with the poor quality but you can save more space on your device by it, choose the normal. And now we can take a photo in the normal mode, and I'm going to show you the difference between these photos. You can see in the normal mode the photo have only the 400 kilobytes, but in the normal mode in the superfine mode, there we have a 2.5 megabytes. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.